Hello, my name is Natasha Oviro, and thank you for joining me today. I will be presenting on an emerging trend in educational technology. The emerging trend I will be presenting on is iReady, which is a computer software program. iReady provides differentiated instruction to meet the needs of students, and the result is an increase in learning growth for all students. iReady is a software package that delivers student instruction, performance diagnostics, and progress reports based on kindergarten through 12th grade Common Core state standards in the content areas of math and reading. There are various iReady tools. The first is the iReady Diagnostic. This is an adaptive diagnostic in kindergarten through 12th grade math and reading. This diagnostic provides information of where the student is at and what their needs are. From there, the program creates differentiated iReady online instruction, which is kindergarten through 12th through 8th grade targeted online instruction. Another iReady tool is the iPad apps, which are games that support online instruction. The final tool is Standards Mastery, which are mini standards-based assessments given throughout the online instruction to track the progress of the student and to see what areas they need to further their instruction on. iReady is really for students. It's very interactive and visually engaging for students. I've created a short clip and I will be walking you through the iReady login and what the students will see on their account. So students will log in using their unique username and password and then press go. From there, the students will engage in lessons in the content area of reading and in the content area of math. Students can also change their buddy or their character at the bottom. When you click on the content area for reading, you can resume your iReady lesson. Once the students press the green arrow, they will be engaging in an interactive iReady lesson in the content area they have selected. They can then switch the content area to math and resume their iReady lesson. Here they will engage in an interactive lesson in the content area of math, and it looks like this. It's very visually engaging for the students. The students also have the option to view their progress and see how they're doing in the specific topic domains. They can also view how many minutes they've been on task for the week and how many lessons they've passed. They earn medals or points, and they can play different games with that. They can choose different themes, and they can also change their buddy. Students really enjoy the iReady program, and they look forward to having their time every day for iReady and doing their different lessons and doing the different games that are on the software. iReady is not only for students, but it's also useful and an emerging trend for teachers. Through real-time reporting, iReady allows educators to track how students are performing against each standard and whether or not they need further remediation or enrichment. I've created another short video in which I will walk you through what the teacher will see on iReady. The teacher has their unique username and password, and they will press go to log in. And it's going to take them first to the iReady dashboard and show the diagnostic results. Here you can see through the pie chart that there are different areas. Green is students on grade level, yellow is 1 grade level below, red is 2 or more grade levels below, and gray is students who have not completed the diagnostic. I teach a special education class in which all the students are 2 or more grade levels below. You can explore domain placements and see how your students are placing in the content area of reading for phonological awareness, phonics, high frequency words, vocabulary, comprehension literature, and comprehension informational text. You can view their placement in math and see their overall placement as well as the domains of number and operations, algebra and algebraic thinking, measurement and data, and geometry. Down below, you can see specific students' data in these content areas and see where they place. But for privacy reasons, I will not be showing that. iReady is unique in that it provides an opportunity for the teacher to see where the student is placing in specific domains based on Common Core state standards. There are also options in which teachers can pick specific lessons that they want the software to provide for the student if you think that the area of need is strong and the student needs more remediation in that content area. So the question is, why does iReady matter? It matters because not only is it an emerging trend and used by millions of students, but the outcome of the software is what matters. Research based on data from over 4 million students who took the iReady diagnostic during the 2016-2017 school year finds that students who used iReady instruction experience greater learning gains than those who did not use the program. You can see in the chart below. The gray is the control group, in which students took the diagnostic but did not participate in the online instruction. This was their growth. The students who did take the iReady diagnostic as well as participated in the online instruction received this much learning gains and growth. In the content area of language, there was a 39% increase in learning growth. In the content area of math, there was a 38% increase in learning growth. You can see that the control group who took the diagnostic did not have as much of a learning growth as the students who took the diagnostic and participated in the online instruction. This is because iReady provides differentiated instruction to meet the needs of students. This means that they will have larger growth throughout the school year, and they'll be able to have a better chance at accessing their grade level curriculum and receiving that learning gain. There's also the achievement gap that is being closed through iReady instruction. Now, iReady does not solve the problem of the achievement gap in education, but it does make an effort in lessening the achievement gap by providing an option for students to have greater learning gains. Overall, I personally use iReady in my classroom, and I've seen the benefit to differentiated instruction, and my students are being provided access to curriculum based on their needs. This is a list of my references in which I used for my research. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope that you will consider using the iReady software in your classroom.